Hey everybody, hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. With everything going on right now in the world, we figured it would be a good time for us to try to pitch in and do our part to help as much as we could. One of the things that we are working on right now is a respirator that you can make at home. It's a couple of 3D printed pieces that snap together with any napkin or tissue. Another thing that I had heard about was that a lot of the nurses or doctors, first responders, the people that are wearing respirators on a regular basis, it's becoming harder and harder to wear that respirator on a daily basis because your ear is becoming raw from the band rubbing, you know, all day long. So a cool thing that I've seen a lot of people starting to do in the 3D printing community is making these little ear saver things. So my sister works in the healthcare industry, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a bunch of these and I'm going to give them to her to take to the hospital completely free of charge, just to help out. We're just trying to pitch in and help out where we can. So this is the other cool little thing that we're making. It's essentially like a keychain. It's got a hole in it. You can attach this to your key ring, but the idea is that this would prevent you from having to touch door handles, say like a gas station door. If you go into a building often that you have to grab the door handle and open it, this is made at 100% infill, so this would definitely be strong enough to open any kind of door. It also has tips on the ends. If you live in an apartment complex, it could be used to unlock and lock certain doors, but it is a nice convenient little key ring option for you to not have to touch door handles. Which brings us to the last thing, which is this cool ring that you can put on any finger, and if you ever find yourself in situations where you're having to use touch screens or elevator buttons, things of that nature, this would be a really cool alternative to that would allow you to not touch a screen or a button that a million other people have touched. Again, we just want everybody to stay safe and healthy, so don't hesitate to contact us if you need anything or want anything. We would be happy, absolutely happy to make something for you. All of the things that we're making, from the respirator clips to the ear savers to the door handle tool to the ring, we know times are tough. The way that we're going to do this is, if anybody is interested in any of these things that we're making right now, we will essentially give these things away for free. You just pay for me to ship it to you and it's yours. So if anybody is in need of one or wants one, thinks it's cool, wants to show some support, just let us know. We're trying to help everybody out. Again, we know times are tough. Just contact us and we'll figure it out. We'll figure out the rest. You can contact us either on our Facebook page, our Instagram page. You can contact me on my personal Facebook page. I will leave all the links for any possible way for you to contact me, and I promise we will get back to you ASAP. Also, don't forget, we also make vinyls and t-shirts as well. So if anybody would like any of our Hazelwood Industries shirts or anything on a hat or a mouse pad, anything, again, just let us know. Everybody stay safe, everybody stay healthy, and we will see you guys in the next video.